Okay, good morning to my subscribers. Doesn't matter how many you've got, I don't really care. Anyway, I thought that you guys should know something quite important. Some of you may not have been paying attention, looking up. Instead, you've been looking down at your black mirror, which is fine. However, you're missing a trick. Something like this. Because there's something going on in the sky. Now, for those with eyes to see, you would know this. But sadly, even at this conjuncture in our existence, a lot of people are discussing topics that are not going to help him within the next couple of months at all. Now, I've been saying for a long time, at least since January, you better start getting ready for a winter. Bottling your water, candles, torches, tinned food, dry food, and something to cook it on. And, well, I'm not going to go over it again. Anybody who knows me from my other channel will know what I've been telling people and warning people about. Now, something else I've noticed as well. There is some strange phenomena going on at the moment with the IMF. It's the magnetic field that wraps around the Earth and comes out the other side. I don't want to go too technical, but I just wanted to show you something, and it's about the moon. Now, I don't know how many astronomers are listening, but I know for one thing that when I'm in the northern hemisphere and I look up at night and I see the moon, I should only see, if the Terminator line was straight down the middle, I would see half dark and half light straight down the middle, and that would be it. The moon certainly would not turn like a clock. No way. Because the libration of a moon is about 6% over a nighttime period. And over a month period, I think it's about 26% it moves or something like that. So the libration should only be 6%. That's give and take. You know, it twists into the left or to the right, if you know what I mean. But really, I'm going to show you these pictures now. I stayed up last night to see the moon rise, and then I went outside, I went for a walk, get myself somewhere else, and then the bloody clouds come over. But I was out the other morning, and I'm going to show you a picture now. And this was taken, let me see. That's right, it was taken at 7:30 in the morning, and this is the moon from the southern hemisphere. There you go. Okay, 7:30. What's happened there then? It's moved. You see that? That was at 7:30, and that was around about 8 o'clock. As you can see, it's turning, it's cartwheeling. There's no way that line should have been where it was. So let's look at another photograph. Okay, that's pretty much the same-ish, but that one isn't. What's happened there then? All right, what has happened there? So this one was 7:30. This one was about 8 o'clock, so it's turning like a clock, clockwise. Still turning. Oh, now it's going back anti-clockwise. And now it's going back the other way. And there's a few more I took, and I put the guts in there so you can get some, you know, whatever, but there you go. So it's turned again. Don't forget the libration is only supposed to be 6%. As you can see, we go back to the beginning again. There you go. That's the first one at 7:30 in the morning. 3% libration. Let's have a look at them. Right, that's more than 3%. Fuck me, look at that. Right, I don't know why I'm there. Okay, what can I say? You want to see it again? Right, 7:30 in the morning. Okay, and something more remarkable, that is actually the view I've got now is of the moon. It's from the southern hemisphere, even though I'm in the northern hemisphere. I know it's a bit confusing, but I tell you what, I've got a picture here, I'll show you. This is what I should be seeing. What you could have had. Right, where is it? Okay. Let's get this right. Yeah, here we go. This will explain it better. There you go. Northern hemisphere. I don't know why this is blurry. Southern hemisphere. So look, I just shown you them pictures which says I'm in the southern hemisphere. Right, that's southern hemisphere. I don't know why it's not showing up properly. But that's the southern hemisphere, that's the northern. Now I'm seeing the southern hemisphere, yeah, I'm in the northern hemisphere. Go figure that one out then. And also, I ain't no fucking expert, but I just thought I'd show you a little experiment there. I've got 3 magnets there. I wish they were round. I'm going to try and get some. So, say that's the Earth, and that's the Moon, and that's another planet or a sun, which you're going to find out about soon. Now, whoa, I've got a magnet in my hand here. Okay, it's only a small one, but I just want to show you this. And don't forget, the Earth is a magnet. We're electrons on the magnet. Ions. Right, so we'll just go near this a little bit with this and watch what happens. All right. So imagine that's another planet, or another planet giving off its electromagnetic frequency, and as it approaches another planet, as you see coming in now, the electromagnetic frequency hits that one there, the first one. You see, it'll have an effect on it, on the other one, on the other side. It's probably the worst experiment ever, but I don't know what else to say. So, in a nutshell, the Earth's axis has shifted by about 66.6 degrees, believe it or not. And that's the only explanation I can find. It's the only explanation I can find to explain what I'm seeing and witnessing with my own eyes. Like I said, I've been up a lot of nights. I sit out most nights looking up at the stars. I've seen unidentified flying objects shoot across the sky. I've seen star constellations that I shouldn't really be seen in my hemisphere this time of the year. And the consequence of a shift like that is that all the crops will fail. You think about it, we're supposed to be in a different position in the universe, if you like, because you'd have a summer position and a winter position. We've not gone into our winter position. That's what's happened. And this is going to have huge effects coming up. and the conjunction on the 21st to 25th, and you've got a blue moon coming up, you've got all kinds of moons coming up. And this shit's going to get real. It really is going to get real. Now, some people say, oh, the Earth's flat, the Earth's round. Does it really matter? I'm really not going to bother bracking my brains around that. You believe in the sun and the moon, don't you, and Jupiter? How far away are they? Nobody's got any idea, really. Only know what we've been told. I've seen somebody in an aeroplane trying to debunk the flat Earth theory. They went up in this jet fighter and they're showing the curvature of the Earth. I've seen other videos where people prove to me the Earth's flat. Well, none of them are providing any proof whatsoever. Not in my eyes, anyway. I'll believe it when I see it, which will be coming up soon. So if you believe that the ball Earth, there is an energy flow coming from here. Yeah, this is the Earth. This is the Earth here, and electromagnetic energy comes in. So there's the meridian line, not the meridian line, the terminator line in the middle there going across. So you're looking at the Earth that way. You've got electromagnetic fields coming in, and when they hit the Earth, they go around, and they go like this. But there's something else here that nobody can see that's causing what's happening. So if you don't believe in the ball Earth, if you believe in the flat Earth, then if you're a flat Earth person, but there's a flat Earth, look, it doesn't matter if it's flat or round, there's still energy, electromagnetic energy coming in from here and going around your Earth, whether it be ball or flat, whatever you think. Well, that's probably a good representation, that is. And it's having an effect. And it's having a major effect. And there's going to be some major catastrophic earthquakes, tsunamis, all kinds of strange weather conditions, which we're experiencing at the moment. You're going to start seeing the weather getting a bit weird. Like last night, at 2:30 in the morning, it's warm. Warm. And that's not natural for this time of the year. No way. There's no sun up. How can the hell be warm? I've just seen a video of a tomato plant with what looks like the seeds inside it are sprouting out and piercing the outer shell of the tomato. And they're growing out. And it does say in the Bible to look out for the signs. And some of the signs are weird growing fruit and plants. It actually says that somewhere. I don't know what verse it is or whatever, but I know I read it. And it also said the times will change, the times are changing. But I put the Bob Dylan quote in there. But times are changing, literally time is changing. And we're in for a major, serious, dark winter. You could even get plumped into an ice age within about 10 minutes. Think I'm joking? I'm not. Anyway, I want to stop this at a certain time, so I'm just going to wind up a bit now. But yeah, look up. Stop looking at your Black Mirror and get a fucking life. Well, not get a life, but I mean, get to grips with what's going on. Like I said, I warned you all in January about what's coming up. And everything that I've said is coming true. I feel like I'm fucking manifesting it. Well, that's another story, because a lot of things are being manifested because of the power of thought. But that's another topic. Peace out. Say a prayer.